In this video, I'm going to show you guys how can you send polls in iMessage. Let's get in. First, make sure you have updated your iOS. To check that, launch your settings. Click on the option General, click on Software Update, and update your software to its latest version. Now launch your messaging app and head towards the conversation where you want to send the poll. Here, you're going to find this message box. Along with that, you're going to find the plus icon. Click on that. Now a bunch of options will appear. Select the option poll. Now type your poll question, then add options up to 12 choices. Rearrange options by dragging if needed. Tap on the arrow icon and your poll appears as an interactive card in the chat. Group members tap your choice to vote. Votes update in real time and you'll even see who voted for which option. Add choices later by tapping Add Choice if room allows. To see poll details like who voted or who hasn't yet, long press the poll and select poll details. So this is how you can send polls on iMessage. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.